Where am I? Okay, so what do we have coming up? The big deal? Oh yeah, the big deal from Temp-tations. That's what this is. It's item number K51961. It's the set of 2 soup and sandwich sets. $24.98. 5 easy payments of $5. These are so great. We are a soup and sandwich home for sure, for sure. We actually just had tomato soup and grilled cheeses the other day, and this would have been perfect. So you're getting 2 of the cups, which is great, and you're getting the plate. So let me show you what the color options are here. So this one is called your woodland, and then you are getting so are we gonna go to QVC? Okay, let's go to QVC.com so we can show you the options, because there are a ton of them and I want you to see them all. So if floral lace, old world, and the woodland, and your seasonal are the choices. And then you have color choices on top of that as well, which are great. So while they're pulling those up, I'll just let you know you're gonna have your black, your blue, your gray, your red, and your taupe. And remember, the options are floral lace, old world, woodland. Oh, woodland sold out. Okay, so no more woodland. So floral lace, old world, and seasonal. That's what you have left. Oh, no seasonal? Okay, so no seasonal either. So floral lace and old world. So that's your old world in blue. That's confetti. Green. Gray. And taupe. Go to QVC.com, because if you click on like the style that you want, the color options will come up then. All right, so I'm gonna bring back Lisa Lesort. Lisa, we're having a good time here, fighting bees and talking about grilled cheeses and soups as well. How you doing?
Oh my gosh, I'm doing so great. And Monifa, this isn't even a week old, this set.
Oh my
Now,
gosh.
I know, and all of the Temptationistas wait a year for our soup and sandwich. It's only available at this time of the year. It's our big deal. I know that this amazing price, it ends at the end of the day. We've already sold out of 7 colors. 7 colors. So this is what we have left, and I love it because it's old world and floral lace, our 2 most popular patterns. But let's talk about what this is. It's going to start with that awesome 18-ounce soup mug, latte mug, bowl, whatever you need it to be. I'm holding the old world confetti, hand painted on the outside and the inside of the dish. Then we marry it to this awesome oval elongated tray. It has a nice coupe design, which means if you want to put salads and dressings and pastas and sauces, no worries. When we designed these, we designed them to use them together, or you can use them separately as that awesome tray and that awesome 18-ounce bowl, if you will. But think about, like you said, when you have grilled cheese and you have soup, instead of bringing out your dinnerware and trying to juggle a soup and sandwich on your dinner plate, you have just what you need. And look at the day in the life here of a soup and sandwich. Love that we have right here, we have our grapefruit salad, so we can use it for breakfast. Remember, this is stoneware. It's going to keep hot, hot, cold, cold. And then maybe you want to use it for your yogurt parfaits and your pastries on the side. But this can go in the oven up to 500 degrees. In the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. This is one of those sets. I know most people pick up 2 sets so that you have kind of service for 4 that you will use day in and day out. It's just spectacular, but we are not bringing any more in this year. What we have is what we have of this configuration.
And Old World is most popular right now. So again, go to QVC.com. We don't have a lot of these left. Even as we were setting up, they were like, no, we're out of that. Oh, nope, that's sold out. And some of these sold out since last night, because I actually checked online because I was buying these. So these are great stoneware. It can go into the oven, microwave, freezer, dishwasher. Remember, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees, which I love. So if you did have your grilled cheese sandwiches or anything kind of warm on there that you needed to keep warm, go ahead and pop that in the oven. It's gonna be just fine. And again,
Mm-hmm.
these are new and very, very popular. So take advantage of these prices, $24.98 to get the plate home and the 2 bowls, or mugs rather. And I love soup in a mug, like in the fall or going into the winter, soup
Yeah.
in the mug, it's my favorite thing.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, my daughter and I had grilled cheese sandwiches and tomato soup for lunch the other day. She made for me, and we had it in a nice mug. And I was like, I want that temptation set, so I can have my own like dedicated soup and sandwich plate. But of course, you can use these for so much more. And I mean, they're just gorgeous and really limited. So I would say definitely go to QVC.com or use your app to order these, Lisa. What else are
Yeah.
you using them for over there?
Look, I actually did a French onion soup. I
Oh,
love this size because it fits perfectly into the toaster oven, into the microwave. And if you've never tried Temptations, this is a great way to try our brand. You know, Monifa, how you just have certain pieces in your kitchen that you just find yourself reaching for all the time and
yeah.
you're not sure why?
Mm-hmm.
This is that set. You're going to reach for it. I used it last night. My brother and his wife are visiting for the weekend. I used it for hummus and crudité. And so again, you start to see how it will take you from breakfast to lunch with your soup, dinner doing pasta bakes and doing maybe a salad on the side,
Yeah.
desserts that you can do. Let me show you what we did over here. We actually did an awesome ice cream sundae. And again, what we love about it is the beauty of it, the functionality of it, and then the affordability of it. And I know this is an amazing value. That's why we call it a big deal, right?
Oh, it's a
And
big
again,
deal.
it is a big deal. 7 colors already gone.
Yeah.
This is the only time we're bringing in this configuration. And I just think it's one of those pieces. You know what, Manifa? Like you were talking about your banana pudding.
Yes.
Imagine doing that in here and then you put the extra cookies on the
Listen,
side,
Lisa, you took the
right?
words right out of my mouth. I was just
Really?
about to say that. That's where you
Yeah.
make personal banana puddings, because to me, that's
Yes.
probably better than making a big container of it. Like you make
Yeah.
personal little banana puddings for dessert, and save with those extra cookies for dipping the pudding with. Okay, come on. That's probably what we're gonna have when we shouldn't have it in maybe a week or two. So I'm just letting my family know. We're probably gonna be doing little mini banana puddings coming up. But yeah,
Love that.
they're so versatile. You'll use them all year long, and obviously not
All
just
year
for
long.
soup and salad. So take advantage.
Yeah.
It is a big deal on purpose. We're saying that because it really is. Only this time of year that we ever have these at
Yes.
QVC. $24.98. Great to try if you're new to Temptations, or even if you want to gift these. Like this is perfect for
Yes.
someone who just got like their own
Ooh.
apartment, or maybe
Mm-hmm.
they're downsizing and you want to give them something to celebrate being like empty nesters. Like that's a really fun thing to do. It's item number
Mm-hmm.
K51961. It's from Temptations, the set of 2 soup and sandwich sets. This price is expiring, $24.98. Let me tell you, you have floral lace and old world left. Those are the 2 options, but within those 2, you can get some colors. So go to QVC.com or use your app to see the colors that we have. I think we're gonna show you a few that we have. So we're gonna show you a couple of the old world that we
Okay.
have.
Great.
There you go. So that's the blue, confetti, green, gray, and taupe. And then the floral lace comes in gray and taupe, and that's it. Like I said, since last night,
Wow.
these have been selling out, so take advantage of that. Lisa, thank you so much.
See you soon, Monifa.
All right, I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
This is fun. I'm having a good time. Mary, she has a lot of fun here on Saturdays. This is great. So this is also coming up a little later from Temptations. Item number K49331. It's the set of 3 pumpkin